Dr.Bird English Series.
爱智智慧鸟美语教材系列。
Hello kids, do you like learning English? Come and join me. Let's sing happy songs, tell fun stories, and play games together. There are lots and lots of fun things to do. Are you ready? Here we go.
小朋友，你喜欢学英文吗？请跟着 Dr.Bird 一起进入好玩又有趣的英语世界。
Art Class, Page 2. Listen and say. Children, it's art class. You can draw what you want.
小朋友，美术课时间到咯。今天你们可以自由创作。
Yay! Miss Wang, look at Alan. What is he doing?
老师，你看看 Alan， 他在做什么啊？
He is drawing.
他在画图啊。
He is drawing a car.
他在画一部汽车。
I want to color my car. May I borrow a crayon, Miss Wang?
我想帮我的汽车涂上不同的颜色，可不可以跟你借蜡笔啊？
Sure, here you are.
好啊，给你。
Look at Joe. What is he doing?
Joe 在做什么呢？
He is coloring.
他在着色。
I am coloring my brother.
我帮我弟弟涂上美美的颜色。
Your brother is very cute.
你弟弟好可爱哟。
Look at Jenny. What is she doing?
Jenny 在做什么啊？
She is painting.
他在画水彩画哦。
Miss Wang, it's dry. May I borrow a bucket?
啊，水彩干干的，我可不可以借水桶啊？
Sure, here you are.
好啊，给你。
Look at me. I'm a super painter.
你们看我像不像画家？
Look at Ken. He's painting too.
Ken 也在画水彩画哎。
Yes, he is painting the elephant.
他用水彩帮大象涂颜色哦。
It's pretty.
用水彩画起来很漂亮哎。
I want to paint too.
那我也要用水彩画画。
May I borrow a brush, Ken?
我可不可以跟你借水彩笔啊？
Sure, here you are.
没问题，给你。
Look at Tom. What is he doing?
Tom 在做什么？
He is fingerprinting.
他在做手指画哦。
That's cool. I want to fingerprint too.
好酷哦！那我也要做手指画。
Finish your picture first.
那请先画完你的图哦。
I'm finished.
画好了。
Sue, you are really an artist.
苏，你好像艺术家，画得真好看哎。
Thank you.
Art Class, Page 2. Listen and say. Children, it's art class. You can draw what you want.
Yay! Miss Wang, look at Alan. What is he doing?
He is drawing. He is drawing a car.
I want to color my car. May I borrow a crayon, Miss Wang?
Sure, here you are.
Look at Joe. What is he doing?
He is coloring.
I am coloring my brother.
Your brother is very cute. Look at Jenny. What is she doing?
She is painting.
Miss Wong, it's dry. May I borrow a bucket?
Sure, here you are.
Look at me. I'm a super painter. Look at Ken. He's painting too.
Yes, he is painting the elephant.
It's pretty. I want to paint too. May I borrow a brush, Ken?
Sure, here you are. Look at Tom. What is he doing?
He is fingerprinting.
That's cool. I want to fingerprint too.
Finish your picture first.
I'm finished. Sue, you are really an artist. Thank you.
Page 4. Learn and play.
What is he doing?
他在做什么？
He is painting.
他用水彩画画。
Vocabulary.
单字练习，
Now repeat after me.
请跟我念：
Drawing,
Drawing,
画画、
coloring,
coloring,
涂颜色、
painting,
painting,
画水彩画。
Children, have your pencils ready. Let's play a game.
小朋友，请把笔准备好，我们来玩一个游戏。
Yay! We like games.
我们最喜欢玩游戏喽！
Now listen carefully and match.
仔细听，并且连连看。
Okay.
Look at Tom. What is he doing?
Tom 在做什么呢？
A brush.
他拿着一支水彩笔，
I see. He is painting.
他在画水彩画哎。
Very good. Please match.
请连起来。
My turn. Look at Amy. What is she doing?
你们看，艾米在做什么啊？
She is holding a pencil. She is drawing.
她握着铅笔，所以在画图。
Great. Please match.
My turn. Look at Jessie. What is she doing?
Jessie 在做什么呢？
She is holding a marker. She is coloring.
她握着彩色笔在着色哦。
Wonderful. Please match. Children, you can play this game with your mom and dad when you go home.
回家别忘了找 Daddy、Mommy 一起玩这个游戏哦。
Page 6. Sing. Fingerprints.
Here are my fingers, my thumb too. I made this flower just for you. It doesn't smell, it doesn't grow. It's from me to let you know how much I love you, yes I do.
It's from me to let you know how much I love you. Yes, I do. Here are my fingers, my thumb too. I made this flower just for you. It doesn't smell, it doesn't grow. It's from me to let you know how much I love you. Yes, I do.
My thumb too. I made this flower just for you. It doesn't smell, it doesn't grow. It's from me to let you know how much I love you. Yes, I do.
It's from me to let you know how much I love you. Yes, I do. Here are my fingers, my thumb too. I made this flower just for you. It doesn't smell, it doesn't grow. It's from me to let you know how much I love you. Yes, I do.
Page 6-1. Let's play. What are you drawing?
你在画什么？
It's art class time. Kids, do you like drawing?
小朋友，你们喜不喜欢画画啊？
Yes, we love it. 耶，画画最好玩了。
You can try to say, what are you drawing?
今天画画的时候，也可以练习说英文哦。
Me first. What are you drawing? 你在画什么呢
I'm drawing a horse.
我在画一只马。
Very good.
很好，其他小朋友也来说说看吧。
I am drawing a dog.
我在画狗。
I am drawing a flower.
我在画花。
Wow, you are really an artist.
你们都是小小艺术家。
Page 6-2. Game. We are little artists.
我们是小小艺术家。
Look at the picture.
看看课本，
What are they doing?
这些小朋友在做什么呢？
Let's find out.
我们一起走出迷宫，就知道答案了哦。
I can draw a dog.
你看，我会画狗。
I can color a butterfly.
还有我会帮蝴蝶涂颜色。
Kids, come and try.
小朋友，快来试着走走看吧。
Page 6-4. Tiny story. Little artist. Hi, children. Do you like painting? Mr. Elephant does. He is really good at painting. He doesn't just paint on paper. He paints his friends to make them beautiful. He is busy every day. Let's see what he is painting today.
小朋友，你喜欢画画吗？大象先生是个艺术家，每天都忙着画画。我们一起来看看他今天画了什么吧。
I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I'm a busy painter.
Good for him! What a great painter Mr. Elephant is! I want him to paint for me. Oh, it's time for a chant. Are you ready to chant with Mr. Elephant? Here we go.
I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter.
Tiny story. Little artist. Hi, children. Do you like painting? Mr. Elephant does. He is really good at painting. He doesn't just paint on paper. He paints his friends to make them beautiful. He is busy every day.
tiny story. Little artist.
Hi, children. Do you like painting? Mr. Elephant does. He paints every day. He is so busy. Let's see what he is painting today.
I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I'm a busy painter.
Good for him! What a great painter Mr. Elephant is! I want him to paint for me. Oh, it's time for a chant. Are you ready to chant with Mr. Elephant? Here we go.
I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter. I am a painter. Paint a zebra with stripes. Paint a snake with spots. I'm a busy painter.
Page 8. Learn and play.
May I borrow a brush?
我可以借一支水彩笔吗？
Sure, here you are.
可以呀，给你。
Vocabulary.
单字练习，
Now repeat after me.
请跟我念。
Crayon,
Crayon.
蜡笔、
marker,
Marker.
彩色笔、
brush,
Brush.
水彩笔、
colored pencil,
Colored pencil.
彩色铅笔、
bucket,
Bucket.
水桶。
Children, it's art class.
美术课时间到咯，
Yay!
Let's draw our favorite toy.
我们来画最喜欢的玩具。
My favorite toy is a doll.
我最喜欢的玩具是洋娃娃。
I need a marker. Miss Lin, may I borrow a marker?
老师，我可不可以借彩色笔画我的洋娃娃？
Sure, here you are.
没问题，你拿去吧。
I want to draw my robot. May I borrow a colored pencil?
我可不可以借彩色铅笔画我的机器人啊？
Sure, here you are.
可以呀。
My favorite toy is a rubber duck. May I borrow a crayon?
我最喜欢的是玩具鸭子，我可不可以借蜡笔呢？
Sure, here you are.
好啊。
I want to paint my castle. May I borrow a brush?
我可不可以借水彩笔画我的玩具城堡啊？
Sure, here you are.
好啊。
It's dry.
好干哦，怎么画？
Tony, you need some water.
你要加一些水才可以画嘛。
Oh, I see. May I borrow a bucket, Miss Lin?
哦，老师，我可不可以借一个水桶啊？
Sure, here you are.
I'm finished.
Tony, you used too much water. Your castle is floating in water.
你用太多水了啦，你的城堡好像盖在水里面了。
Page 10. Rhyme. Mirror.
To eyes, mouth, dark hair, I paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me? To eyes, mouth, dark hair, I paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me? To eyes, mouth, dark hair, I paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me?
To eyes, mouth, dark hair, paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me? To eyes, mouth, dark hair, paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me? To eyes, mouth, dark hair, paint what I wear. A mirror helps me paint me. Oh no, is that me? Page 11, Daily English. What are you painting?
你在画什么？
I'm painting a monkey.
我在画猴子。
I'm finished. Look.
Wow, you are an artist.
哇哦，你真是一位小画家呢！
Thank you, Elizabeth.
What a cute little monkey.
真是一只可爱的小猴子。
Do you like to paint?
你喜欢画水彩吗？
Now repeat after me.
请跟着我一起念。
What are you painting?
What are you painting?
I'm painting a monkey.
I'm painting a monkey.
You are an artist.
You are an artist.
My Happy ABC, Book 5. A, A, A. A, A, A. A, A, axe. Axe, axe. Ant, ant. Apple, apple. Chop the apple with the axe. One for you and one for Zax. B, B, B. B, B, B. B, B. Bear. Bear, bear. Ball, ball. Bird, bird. The bear likes honey, and so does the bee. The bee will sting the bear on his knee. C, C, C. C, cake. Cake, cake. Cat, cat. Cup, cup. Don't eat the cake in the car. Up jumps the cat, and here we are. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D. Door. Door, door. Dog, dog. Duck, duck. Look at the duck. It's by the door. It lays an egg. It's on the floor. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E. Elf. Elf, elf. Elephant, elephant. Egg, egg. Roll, roll, roll. The elf rolls the egg. Hop, hop, hop. The elf hops with one leg. F, F, F. F, frog. Frog, frog. Fly, fly. Fish, fish. The frog in the water sees two fish. They say, "Why are we in the dish?" G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G. Gift. Gift, gift. Goose, goose. Goat, goat. There is a gift for the goat. Open the gift. It's a boat. H, H, H. H, hippo. Hippo, hippo. Hen, hen. Hat, hat. Under the big hat is a little mouse. Next to the hippo is a nice house. I, I. I, I. I, ink. Ink, ink. Igloo, igloo. Indian, Indian. What do you have, Indian? I have an iguana. What do you want, iguana? I want a banana. J, J, J. J, J, J. J, J. Jacket. Jacket, jacket. Juice, juice. Jet, jet. Hey, jellyfish, who is that wearing a jacket? It is my funny friend, Happy Mr. Rabbit. K, K, K. K, kite. Kite, kite. King, flying a big kite. Oh no, look at the kite. It's flying left and right. L, L, L. L, lemon. Lemon, lemon. Lamb, lamb. Lion, lion. Mary has a little lamb. Little lamb, little lamb. Mary has a little lamb eating yummy ham. M, M, M. M, milk. Milk, milk. Monkey, monkey. Mouse, mouse. The big tall monkey is reading a map. What is he wearing? He's wearing a cap. My Happy ABC, Book 6. N, N, N. N, N, N. N, N. Nail. Nail, nail. Needle, needle. Nest, nest. Hey Jill, don't touch the nail. It is like a needle and will make you wail. O, O, O. Ah, ah, ah. O, ah. On. On, on. Olive, olive. Ostrich, ostrich. 3 ostriches jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. P, P, P. P, pillow. Pillow, pillow. Penguin, penguin. Pencil, pencil. Schoolfellows, look at the barrow. There is a pencil pattern on the pillow. Q, Q, Q. Qua, qua, qua. Q, qua. Quick. Quick, quick. Quack, quack. Question, question. Quick, quack, quick, quack. Here is a duck, there is a duck. They're crying in the truck. R, R, R. R, rain. Rain, rain. Rabbit, rabbit. Raccoon, raccoon. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little raccoons want to play. S, S, S. S, sock. Sock, sock. Spider, spider. Soap, soap. Hey, Mr. Spider, where are you? I'm in the dirty sock. Where is the dirty sock? It's under the tall oak. T, T, T. T, tent. Tent, tent. Turkey, turkey. T, T. There is a cup of tea in the tent, and the turkey wants to drink it. U, U, U. U, ugly. Ugly, ugly. Umpire, umpire. Upstairs, upstairs. The ugly man is an umpire, and he is a vampire. Do you know where he lives? He lives in the cellar. V, 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 V. Volcano, volcano, volcano. Violin, violin. Vest, vest. John left his violin near the volcano, so he is heading for the volcano in his auto. W, W, W. W, W, W. W, W. Web, web, web. Wolf, wolf. Water, water. A spider is spinning its web, and the web is under the baby wolf's crib. X, X, X. X, X, X. X, X. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Fox, fox, ox, ox. A fox drives a yellow taxi to the city. Whoops, little fox, drive carefully. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y. Yarn, yarn, yarn. Yacht, yacht. Yoke, yoke. Jenny is knitting the yacht from yarn. It is a gift for her dear John. Z, Z, Z. Z, Z, Z. Z, Z. Zookeeper, zookeeper, zookeeper. 0, 0. Zigzag, zigzag. The zookeeper has a Coke Zero. And where is his Coke Zero? It is in his tuxedo. A, A, A. A, A, A. A, A, axe. B, B, B. B, B, B. E, B. Bear. C, C, C. K, K, K. C, K. Cake. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D. Door. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E. Elf. F, F, F. F, F, F. Frog. G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G. Gift. H, H, H. H, hippo. I, I, I. I, I, I. I, I. Ink. J, J, J. J, J, J. J, J. Jacket. K, K, K. K, K. Kite. L, L, L. L, L, L. L, L. Lemon. M, M, M. M, M, M. M, M. Milk. N, N, N. N, N, N. N, N. Nail. O, O, O. Ah, ah, ah. O, ah. On. P, P, P. P, P, U, U, ugly. V, volcano. W, web. X, taxi. Y, yarn. Z, zookeeper.
爱智生活美语
Number 1.
Please get on the bus.
请搭巴士
Number 2.
Take your seat, please.
请坐好
Number 3.
Don't put your hands outside the window.
不要把手伸出窗外
Number 4.
Don't forget your bags.
别忘了你的袋子
Number 5.
How are you this morning?
你今天早上好吗
Number 6.
I'm great.
我很好
Number 7.
What day is today?
今天星期几
Number 8.
Today is Monday.
今天星期一
Number 9.
How's the weather today?
今天天气怎么样
Number 10.
It's sunny.
今天是晴天爱智生活美语
Number 1. Time for class. Let's go into the classroom.
上课喽进教室吧
Number 2. Mary, can you find your book?
玛丽你找到你的书了吗
Number 3. Peter, don't stand on your chair. It's dangerous.
彼得不要站在椅子上那很危险
Number 4. Don't run inside.
不可以在室内乱跑
Number 5. Stop fighting.
别再打了
Number 6. That sounds great.
听起来还不错
Number 7. Come and sit at the front.
坐到前面来
Number 8. Just listen. Don't repeat.
听就好不用跟着念
Number 9. Listen carefully to what I say.
注意听我念些什么
Number 10. Let's do a role play.
我们来进行角色扮演爱智生活美语
Number 1.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
我们来数数
Number 2.
Please circle the identical pictures.
请将相同的图片圈出来
Number 3.
Please cross out the different pictures.
请将不同的图片打叉
Number 4.
What is 5 plus 4?
5加4等于多少
Number 5.
5 plus 4 is 9.
5加4等于9
Number 6.
What is 8 minus 2?
8减2等于多少
Number 7.
8 minus 2 is 6.
8减2等于6
Number 8.
Put them in order.
按照顺序排列
Number 9.
Trace the numbers.
描画数字
Number 10.
Sort the beans.
将豆子分类爱智生活美语
Number 1.
You look pale. Are you all right?
你看起来很苍白 你还好吗？
Number 2.
What's wrong with you?
你怎么了？
Number 3.
I don't feel well.
我不舒服。
Number 4.
I want to go home.
我想回家。
Number 5.
I will call your mom.
我打电话给妈妈。
Number 6.
I have a headache.
我头痛。
Number 7.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
Number 8.
I have a stomach ache.
我肚子痛。
Number 9.
I have a mosquito bite.
我被蚊子咬。
Number 10.
I am bleeding.
我流血了。爱智生活美语。
Number 1.
It's 10:30. Time for a snack.
现在是10点半，点心时间到喽。
Number 2.
Go and wash your hands.
去洗手。
Number 3.
May I have a snack, please?
我可以吃点心吗？
Number 4.
Sure. Here you are.
可以呀，给你。
Number 5.
Thank you, Auntie.
谢谢阿姨。
Number 6.
What are we eating today?
我们今天吃什么？
Number 7.
Dumplings. Red bean soup. Noodles. Bread. Pudding.
水饺、红豆汤、面包、布丁。
Number 8.
Let's eat.
开动。
Number 9.
Enjoy your meal.
享受你的餐点。
Number 10.
It's yummy.
好好吃哦。爱智生活美语。
Number 1.
It's story time.
说故事时间到了。
Number 2.
Let's go to the book corner.
我们到图书区。
Number 3.
Whose turn to pick the book?
轮到谁选故事书？
Number 4.
Let's listen to the story, Jack and the Beanstalk.
我们听杰克与魔豆的故事。
Number 5.
My turn.
轮到我。
Number 6.
Look at the cover.
看看封面。
Number 7.
The author is Cindy Lou.
作者是 Cindy Lou。
Number 8.
The illustrator is Andy Yao.
插画家是 Andy Yao。
Number 9.
Do you like the story?
喜不喜欢这个故事？
Number 10.
Yes, we do.
喜欢。爱智生活美语。
Number 1.
Draw a dog.
画一只狗。
Number 2.
Cut out the dog.
把狗剪下来。
Number 3.
Color the dog yellow.
把狗涂上黄色。
Number 4.
What color do you like?
你喜欢什么颜色？
Number 5.
I like blue.
我喜欢蓝色。
Number 6.
What shape can you see?
你能看到什么形状？
Number 7.
I can see a square.
我能看到正方形。
Number 8.
Let's string the beads.
我们来串珠。
Number 9.
Let's make a fingerprint picture.
我们用手指印作画。
Number 10.
Poke a hole in the paper.
在纸上戳一个洞。 爱智生活美语
Number 1.
How are you feeling today?
你今天觉得如何？
Number 2.
Great. And how are you?
很棒啊，那你呢？
Number 3.
Terrible. I'm not feeling well today.
糟透了，我觉得今天不太好哎。
Number 4.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
哦，我很难过听你这么说。
Number 5.
We'll play a game.
我们要来玩个游戏。
Number 6.
Make 2 lines.
排成2排。
Number 7.
Try again.
再试一次。
Number 8.
Team A, go, go, go.
A 队，加油加油加油！
Number 9.
Team A is the winner.
A 队赢喽！
Number 10.
We won.
我们赢喽！